Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pretzel spider web, which is perfect for a Halloween party. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. So here's what we need to make our recipe. First, you're going to need some pretzel rods like this. Then you're going to need some candy wafers. I have both orange and yellow. Also some candy corn for decorations. And a little rubber spider. Now, of course, it'd be better if this was an edible spider, such as a chocolate spider or a gummy spider, but we're gonna work with what we have here. So that's what we got. Let's get started making this recipe. First thing we need to do is start arranging our pretzel rods on some wax paper. And we're just kind of like a spoke, like a wheel spoke. And when you're pretty happy with how many pretzel rods you have on there, I think this one looks pretty good. Of course, you can do more or less depending on the number of guests you're going to have at your party. Next, we want to melt down both our orange and yellow candy wafers. Melt them in the microwave 30 seconds at a time until they're completely melted. So we have our yellow and our orange candy wafers have melted. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the orange and we're just going to put a glob right in the middle here. Try to touch each and every one of those pretzel rods, because this is what's going to hold them together. Then we can take some of our yellow and we can kind of go around that. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just going to get us started. I've also melted some of the yellow and the orange and put it in piping bags. We're going to take our piping bag now, and we'll start with the orange first. And what we're going to do is just, we're going to go around like a spider web. Kind of go on a double line on each one, and then we'll alternate. Next, we can decorate this with some candy corn and put it in different spots. Doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe put our spider somewhere off to the side here. And that's it. That is our pretzel spider web. That's perfect for a party because people can just come and take a pretzel and they'll have all that chocolate on there and some candy corn. It's just a lot of fun. Now it's time for the taste test. I am going to pull off a piece here and give it a shot. It's good. I always love chocolate covered pretzels, so these are always a big hit for me. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy watching me make this pretzel spider web. It's a lot of fun making this. Very simple thing to do, and it's perfect for a Halloween party. You can put it as a centerpiece. People can just pick at it and grab whatever they like. It's just a lot of fun. You can decorate it any way you like as well. You can put candy corn like I did. You can put other candies. Whatever you wish, it's up to you. It's just a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, be sure you hit that big red subscribe button. I put up new videos all the time. For the whole month of October, I'll be putting up a video every single day, so be sure to check back tomorrow. As for right now, I'll see you tomorrow.